As we all know, 2020 has been a year like no other. Although the world had to shut its doors for a while, consumers around the world still needed safe, affordable, quality food on their plates every day. Driven by our passion for feeding the world sustainably, we have continued our journey of innovation. Despite the pandemic, our dedicated team of 1,000 innovation experts across 10 countries brought over 30 new breakthrough innovations to the market that are transforming the way food is processed.
These new innovative solutions will be an important enabler to the supply of safe, affordable, quality food to consumers worldwide. Automation, sustainability, and digitalization are key drivers in all the developments that we brought to the market in 2020. We will continue to build on that important foundation towards the future. Every year, we invest 6% of our revenues in innovation, and we have dedicated innovation experts all over the world that work in close partnership with our customers on transforming the way food is processed. On our quest, we realized that everything counts, every step, every idea, every drop, and every person.
Automation is a core feature in our developments at Marel. With automation, we keep moving the food industry to the future, step by step.
In 2020, we saw the smartest whitefish plants in the world go live and major steps taken into the future of whitefish processing.
We again delivered a new robot application to the market, the M-Line bung remover. Despite the circumstances, we made many important steps with our development customers on robotics for the meat processing industry.
We took significant steps forward in combining vision and robotics technology and transforming knowledge and insights from one industry to another.
On our quest to transform the way food is processed, every idea counts. Our digital products play a key role in advancing food processing and in changing it from being supply-driven to demand-driven, meaning less waste and more flexibility.
We are developing digital transforming solutions that provide more knowledge, more insight, and more control in the food processing.
Our digital solutions enable our customers in the poultry industry to create the maximum potential out of their Marel line.
We are taking important steps to evaluate our infrastructure further to best meet the future digital needs of our customers.
Sustainability is at the heart of all our operations. All innovations must meet sustainability targets, where we focus on minimizing waste and maximizing quality in food processing. Every drop counts.
Sustainability was and remains a core value in our developments at Marel and the focus for all development teams in Marel.
Extended reality solutions mixed with simulation and VR makes it possible to have a meaningful conversations about our systems with our customers without travel and face-to-face meetings.
All over the world, we continue to work not only with our customers, but also with partners that are best in class in their field.
We exchange knowledge and ideas in new ways in collaboration with our teams and customers all over the world. Everyone counts.
In challenging situations, Marel teams have had to navigate through the pandemic and make sure that we are there for our customers. We strengthen our internal and external partnerships by thinking in terms of solutions.
With close collaboration of our experts, we managed to provide transformative technologies in all industries we operated in.
We look forward to continuing on our journey to transform the way food is processed in 2021.